Hi, my name is Ahmed Mahmood, and I am a respiratory therapy major. Respiratory therapy is a unique healthcare career that allows you to collaborate with the medical team. You can work in different kinds of specialties as well as different locations as an RT. The University of Akron provides a great resource for healthcare, specifically in respiratory. The professors in the respiratory therapy program will do everything they can to make sure their students succeed. This means taking time out of their personal schedule, assisting students with different concepts and clinical knowledge, as well as being their backbone during the entire program to ensure, upon graduation, a competent respiratory therapist. Clinicals is where you can put all that you've learned in class to work. It was personally my favorite. I always liked learning what we did in class and practicing it. It always made it seem like it clicked better. I was also exposed to different things in clinicals. Different rotations do different things, so you learn a lot during your senior year and junior year in the program. Upon graduation, I like to work as a respiratory therapist in the critical care environment, learning through different traumas. My goal is to eventually move into medical device sales on the trauma extremities team. There's honestly no better feeling than helping someone in their most vulnerable state. I think that doing this kind of care and doing this kind of work really fulfills me and what my goals are as a person, so I don't think I'd go any other way than respiratory therapy. I think now is a great time to join the field of medicine. Specifically, respiratory therapy, I think, is a huge aspect in healthcare that gets overlooked a lot. I think if we get more recognition in what our career does and our scope of practice, I think it would be a great career for anyone interested in medicine.